Hello and welcome. Today we have third video about the Microsoft Excel and WinCC V7 communication. In this video we will create Excel file as we did in first video. We will write data the same like we did in second video, but in this video we will change the font size inside our Excel file. So in future, in a few videos, we can create full report in Microsoft Excel, and we can make this directly from WinCC V7. We have the same script like we had in last video, so we know how to write data into our Excel file. We create this Excel file with one worksheet, and let's say today we will create two texts inside our cells, and this text we can make different size if you want to make this with VBScript. As you see on screen, I'm creating two texts. The first, hey, I'm first text, and second, hey, I'm second text. And we also write two data, one and second. Let's make some comments so we know exactly how to make this if you want to test this in your application. And now we can run this script and we can see the result of this. Okay, so we create the Excel test 3 and we want to show how to make this. So we have the button change cell fonts. Okay, we open the folder, we have the test third, and I have two texts and I have the values, the first value and second value. In some of VBScript actions we can make the report, so we can, for example, make the ID, the date, time, and for example the values. We can make the every minute writing data into this kind of file. So okay, in title we have the hey, I'm first text. Let's change the font size during the Excel file creations. So let's say first text will be size 20 and second text will be 40. Okay, let's check this. Okay, we don't have error. Let's write data. Our Excel file should work directly on our Excel on D, and after we opened, first is working but second doesn't. Let's go back to VBScript. Okay, I misclick. I need to make the second. Now if we run again, so we see exactly the title first is 20 and the title second is 40, is the bigger. This kind of solutions we will use in few videos in future. So we create the full report, for example the shift report. If you know how to make this with VBScript editor, you can make this by your own in your own application. Thank you for watching and see you again. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to see all my videos about the Microsoft Excel and WinCC V7. See you and bye.